your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
In the IELTS test, the first question is, what is your name? Or a slight variation, what is your full name? Or what is your full name, please? This is a nice easy question. You should know your own name. However, many people do not answer this question very well. Some common problems include not using sentences, not using or mispronouncing is,
My name is Jeff.
talking like a robot,
My name is Pepper. I'm a humanoid robot and I'm 1.20 meters tall.
saying your name too fast so it can't be understood.
My name na Ovuvwe Enyetwe Gbemu Osas.
You serious?
So let's practice saying this perfectly. I will use my name, but you should use your own name. Group the first words together so it sounds like one word. My name is. My name is. My name is.
My name is.
Then say your name clearly and not too fast. My name is Philip Sanderson. Practice saying that, copying my speech. I'll say it one more time. My name is Philip Sanderson. You could preempt the next question by extending your answer, like this. My full name is Philip Sanderson, but please call me Phil. Notice that I stress the word full and please, as well as my name. There is also a tiny pause after is and please. I'll say it again. My full name is Philip Sanderson, but please call me Phil. That's it for today's video, but there will be another video very soon. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell. You can also follow us on Instagram and visit our website. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.